Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to integrate ChatGPT in Excel using an add-in. First, go to the add-ins section. You'll find it under the Developer tab or in the Insert tab if you don't have the Developer tab enabled. Click on Add-ins. This will show the ones already installed under My Add-ins. To add a new one, click on Store. Then search for Formula Editor. Now add AI-aided Formula Editor. This add-in lets you use AI inside Excel. Accept the terms and conditions, then click Continue. A window will appear on the right side. It will ask you to sign in. Just enter your email and password. Once signed in, you'll see options like Cell Formula and AI Generator. You can use the free version or upgrade to the premium plan for $14.99 per month to unlock more features. There's also an AI chat copilot, which works just like ChatGPT, directly inside Excel. To close it, simply click the X button. And to reopen it later, go to the AI-aided Formula Editor tab and select AI Formula Editor or AI Chat Copilot, whichever you want to use. If you ever want to remove it permanently, go back to Add-ins, find it under My Add-ins, click on the three dots, and choose Remove. Click Remove again to confirm, and it's gone. Thanks for watching.